ultimum dignitatem. Cicero, who was born in 106 BC and died in 43 BC in ancient Rome, said, ultimum dignitate. This means leisure with pleasure. I don't have to tell regarding the following matter. Human life is transient. Human life is surely transient more than you simply imagine. Instinctive learning is a dangerous thing. Therefore, human beings are guided to deepen the meaning of their lives. What you have as a matter of time shall be the symbol of how you need to do for the rest of your life. The unwise do not understand how to use time. The unwise do not understand how to use the rest of their lives. Live well. I'd like you to live well with dignity. To live well with dignity, discipline is necessary. You need both principle and discipline. Intrinsically speaking, you are privileged to be disciplined to live well with dignity. If you don't do it, if you do not live with dignity, there is nothing you create. There is no time for you to breathe meaningfully. Real freedom shall be given to you through living well with dignity. You don't care where you are now. You don't worry about anything because you have your real freedom in your heart with dignity. The lesson should be finished now.